What's the difference between these three sentences? I went to Japan. I have been to Japan. I had been to Japan. They look similar, but they're not the same. They are all correct, but it depends on the context. Let me explain it simply so that you can understand and not make any of these mistakes again. In this lesson, we will clearly understand past simple, present perfect, and past perfect, and even how to use ever correctly. We'll go slow. I'll give you lots of examples so that you can really understand and not just memorize. Let's begin. Past simple, finished time. When do we use it? We use past simple when the action is finished. The time is finished. We usually say when. The structure. Positive, subject plus verb 2. I went. She saw. They finished. This is where a lot of people get caught out. Negative. Negative is subject did not, base verb, or you might know it as verb 1. I didn't go. She didn't see. She didn't finish. Questions. Did, subject, again base verb or verb 1. Did you go? Did you see? Did you finish? So, positive, I went. Negative, I didn't go. Question, did you go? So be careful. Even though it is past tense, it's not always verb 2. And we have a clear idea. This happened in the past. It's finished. Its time is clear. Examples. I went to Japan in 2020. I saw him yesterday. She finished her work last night. We met last week. An important note. If you say when the action happened, it's past simple. I have seen him yesterday. No, I saw him yesterday. Present perfect. Past plus noun connection. When do we use it? We use present perfect when we do not say when. It is about a life experience. The past action is more important now than it was back then. So the structure. Subject, have has, past participle, or as we now say, verb 3. I have been, she has seen, they have finished. So remember, this happened in the past, but it's connected to now. Let's look at some examples to help understand or highlight this a little bit easier. 1. Life experience, no time. I have been to Japan. So in my life, maybe 1 time, maybe 5 times, we don't know. I have tried sushi. She has visited Bangkok. Part 2. The result now. I have lost my keys. I don't know where they are. She has finished her work. Now she is free. We have eaten dinner. Now we're not hungry. An important rule though, don't use a finished time. I have been to Japan in 2020. No, I went to Japan in 2020. Have you ever? What does ever mean? Ever means at any time in your life. Structure. Have, subject, ever, verb 3. Examples. This is very important. Have you ever been to Japan? Have you ever eaten Thai food? Have you ever seen snow? Have you ever met a famous person? Meaning, in your life at any time. Now, when we answer, we never say, yes, I ever. It's always, yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have you ever been to Japan? Yes, I have. Have you ever been to Japan? No, I haven't been to Japan. So, yes, I have. Yes, I have been. No, I haven't. No, I haven't been. Why I ever is wrong. These are some wrong sentences. I ever went to Japan. I ever saw that movie. I have ever been to Thailand. Why are these wrong? Because ever is not used in positive sentences. It's mostly used in questions and negative sentences. So where can we use ever? Questions. Have you ever been to Japan? Have you ever tried sushi? Negative sentences. I haven't ever been to Japan. But in a more natural way, we don't say I haven't ever. We put an N in front of it and we say never. So not I haven't ever been to Japan, which is correct, but doesn't sound quite right. I have never been to Japan. And we use it with if. If you ever visit Thailand, call me. So very important. Use never in positive sentences. N plus ever equals never. I have never been to Japan. I have never seen that movie. I have never visited Thailand. Why would you have never visited Thailand? This is the best country in the world. Past perfect. Past before the past. When do we use it? We use past perfect when there are two past actions. One action happened before the other. So the structure. Subject, had, plus verb 3. I had eaten. She had finished. They had left. So a clear idea. This happened first, then something else happened. Let's give a step-by-step guide to reinforce this point. I had eaten before he arrived. So first, I ate. Then he arrived. Two past events. She had finished her work before the meeting started. So first, she finished her work. Then the meeting started. Again, two past events. They had left when we got there. So first they left, then we arrived. So again, two past items in the past. Important. I had gone to Japan, not very clear. I had gone to Japan before I moved to China. So you need two actions for past perfect. Full comparison, very clear. So we're going to pick one topic and we're going to give you an example of past simple, present perfect, a question, and a past perfect. The first one, Japan. I went to Japan in 2020. Finish time. Present perfect. I have been to Japan. Life experience. Question. Have you ever been to Japan? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Past perfect. I had been to Japan before I moved to China. Past and an earlier past. Example 2. Food. I ate sushi yesterday. I have eaten sushi. Have you ever eaten sushi? I had eaten sushi before I came to Thailand. 3. Movies. I saw that movie last night. I have seen that movie. Have you ever seen that movie? I had seen that movie before you told me about it. Does that make it clearer? 4 examples for each of the different topics. I hope so. Simple, final rules. Past simple, finish time, we say when. Present perfect, no time, life experience, the result is now. Have you ever? Ask about life experience. Ever? Only in questions, negatives, or if. If you ever. If I ever. Past perfect is the past before the past. Practice. Okay, guys, let's see how much of that you understood. I will put 5 questions on the screen and I'll give you several different answers. You have to choose the correct answer or the missing word. Okay? 1. I, him yesterday. See, saw, have seen. 2. I, been to Japan. Have, had, have ever. 3. You ever been to Japan? Have, did, would. I, ever been to Japan? Have never, went. 5. I, dinner before he arrived. Eat, ate, eaten. So I'll give you 30 seconds to look at this. Then I'll give you the answers. Number 1, I saw him yesterday. Number 2, I have been to Japan. 3, have you ever been to Japan? Number 4 tried to catch you out. Don't say, I never ever been to Japan. Say, I have never been to Japan. Not I never ever. I have never been to Japan. A little tricky one in there to see if anybody was paying attention correctly. And number 5, I had eaten dinner before he arrived. So how many did you get correct? I'm pretty sure you got most of them correct. So well done, guys. If you didn't, don't worry about it. It's all about learning and improving. I'm sure many of you got caught out by number 4. I am sorry about that. I might like to laugh at myself sometimes. Speaking practice. Okay, I want you to practice. Speak it into your phone, your TV, your tablet, your computer. 5 sentences. I'll say them, listen, and repeat back. I'll give you a couple of seconds between each one. Ready? Have you ever been to Japan? I have never been to Japan. I have been to Japan. I went to Japan in 2020. I had been to Japan before I moved there. Again, pause, rewind, practice again. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Practice is very important. And that's it for today, guys. Now you understand clearly. Don't say, I ever. Say, have you ever? Or I have never. Past simple, finish time. Present perfect, past plus now. Past perfect, earlier past. And that's it for today. I hope I made it simple and clear for you. Remember, even if you make mistakes, native speakers will understand you. But when you get it right, your fluency really goes through the roof. Through the roof? That's an idiom. If you want to learn more about idioms, watch this video right here and I will see you, yes, you specifically, Mr. Ed, who comments on all my videos. Thank you, Ed. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys there. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. It means that you are serious about improving your English. If you enjoy learning about grammar or any other parts of the English language or vocabulary or idioms, click, like, subscribe, share, watch more of my videos. And if there's a video I haven't made and you want me to make it, message me. I will do my best to make that video for you. And until next time, thank you so much for watching to the end. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.